Honey, if this ain't a budget meal, I don't know what is. We're going to use this leftover rice, honey, and we're going to add this turkey kielbasa sausage to these baked beans, and we're going to have us a delicious, budget-friendly meal. First, we're going to chop up them sausage, and we're going to saute them in a little bit of oil in this pan, just enough oil to not let them stick to the pan because sausage got gonna make its own oil anyway. We don't want this to be too greasy. We want to be tasty but not greasy. So go ahead and put the baked beans in the sausage after you have browned them on both sides. Yes, don't burn them up. Just brown them on both sides. Go ahead and empty the can out, and then you'll see what we do next. Both of these items are already cooked basically. We just heating them up, but I like my sausages to have a little bit of brown on them. So we're gonna go ahead and heat these up together, and then we're gonna add some cinnamon to them, make them a little extra special. Give it just a little bit of a kick it with the spices. Don't put too much. You don't want to overpower the beans. Just enough. Just enough. Just a sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle here and there. Okay? And then we're going to heat these up. We're going to put a lid over them. But what I want to do is I want to bring some of that moisture, some of that liquid out of there because I want a little bit of a caramelization going on. Yes, and then they're going to be nice and thick. So when you put it over the rice, oh my God, it's going to be so delicious. And this probably took less than 5 minutes for real. I'm going to add just a little pinch of salt, and I'm going to add some black pepper with it also. The beans are already seasoned in the can. They got a little bit of sweetness to them as well, so no need to add sugar to these. We're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper and cinnamon just to kick it up just a little bit, and it should be just fine. But you add what you want to yours. See how they're coming up to temperature now? But we still need to give it just a couple more minutes. Now we're talking. We reduce some of that liquid out of there. Look at how thick that is. Oh, yes, honey. This is going to be delicious, and it's going to fill you up. Wait and see. Okay, we got our leftover rice on the plate already. We're just going to put our beans in there, and we got us a nice hearty meal for the low budget. But it's going to be tasty. It's not going to taste low budget. It's going to taste delicious. Try it and see. Let me know what you think. Y'all have a good day now. See you in the next video.